Reading SMA trend signals doesn't have to be complicated. A simple moving average or SMA smooths out price action and helps traders quickly identify the direction of a trend. When price stays above the SMA line, it usually signals an up. When it stays below, it often suggests a down. For faster reading, use two SMAs like the 50 period and the 200 period. If the 50 crosses above the 200, that's a bullish signal. If it crosses below, that's bearish. The slope of the SMA also matters. A rising line shows upward momentum, while a falling line shows downward pressure. Instead of staring at noisy charts, let the SMA filter out distractions. Want to turn this knowledge into real trading opportunities? Sign up with Innohedge Limited and take your strategy to the next level.